Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I put a video up, but I've been working on a few things. Got a lot more things to work on, but I thought I'd give you just an update as to progress to where we are at this point in time. Last video we left off, I got the motor to run, but it would only run on fuel that I would spray down the throat of the car. It wouldn't run off a gravity feed. So, if you'll notice, I have removed the carburetor, and we're in the process of getting that rebuilt. So maybe in a couple weeks or so, I'll have the carb back on and be able to start this thing up and let it run off a gravity feed gas line. And then we'll go on to the brakes, which is another story altogether. See if I can get some video of that for you. My next thing I'm going to be looking at is the master cylinder, which is right here on the frame rail. The pedal is free, and I put fluid in it, and it's not leaking out, but it should be, because there's no brake line that runs for that master cylinder to the driver's side wheel there. It's been cut. It's hard to see. You can kind of see it up there at the top. So that tells me that this is not pushing any fluid. Pretty much just going to buy a new master cylinder and try to install it. Motor mounts have been moved back a little bit to accommodate for the engine that's in here, which is a Kaiser Frazer L161 Flathead 6. Here we are inside the cab. Show you what's going on in here, what I've been up to inside here. Got the speedometer out, I've got the oil pressure gauge out, and I've got the light switch down here hanging. What I've done, I've tried to trace wires down inside here and figure out what's going on, what goes to where. Kind of a mess back in there, but we're getting it. It's slowly coming around. I was able to find a few of the bulbs that go into the speedometer and some of the indicator bulbs and whatnot. Of course, the ashtray's out too. Kind of jumping around from one thing to the next. I'll get so far on one thing and stop and have to think about it, and then go on to the next thing, then come back to it. So this is where we are inside the truck right now. I'm slowly making progress on this thing. Just wanted to give you another quick update since it's been a while. Thanks for watching.